Well, hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here, and welcome to our next video. This is a gold refine that has more than likely been here for an extremely long time. I'm guessing 2,500 to 3,000 years. But anyway, Ron, we made it. I'm finally going to get this package open and get to work on this. So let me do some cutting around here. I couldn't find my painter's tape to cover that over, so I just covered it up. So I'm going to pull it off to the side here and cut this open, and then we'll get right back at you. Okay, guys, we have our package open. What this is this is a refine. I don't want to say gone bad or gone wrong or gone amiss, but that's basically what it is. This was... some things went wrong here, and he basically sent this to me to see if I could salvage or make anything out of this. So this is all the filter papers, I guess sweepings. It just looks like a it looks like like something went wrong. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm not going to open this bag up right now because I don't have any gloves on hand in here. They're all out in the lab. But I'm going to actually take this out to the lab, sort this material out, probably tomorrow because it is blue cold out there right now. And then I see we have a little bit of, I don't know if that's gold foils or what that is right there, but I can see a little bit of visible gold. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a little bit of visible gold there. So I don't know exactly what he did. I mean, he told me, you know, that it just went amiss or went awry. So we had talked about it and decided that the best thing to do was just to try to send me everything he could salvage out of it and see if we can get some gold out of this. So this is kind of a short intro. We're not really going to be getting in depth into anything. There's no point in weighing these bags out and weighing because we don't know what we started with in general. We really don't know anything. So other than the fact that we got to try and get some gold out of this. And at least we're going to get that much because I can see that much. I can see that much gold right there. So I'm seeing knots of stuff. I don't know, a little specks of gold. So anyway, that's what we're going to do. Again, Ron, I appreciate your patience. I appreciate you waiting as long as you have waited to, you know, for me to get to this. It's just, you know how it is. I mean, I'm still trying to get some things set up and get some things done. My length of time that I can do anything is still very limited. So fortunately, this is going to take probably a while to do, or a little while to do, but most of it's just going to be waiting. There's not going to be any, you know, like rinsing and washing and everything else until we get to the end of it. So I do see, like I said, a lot of material down here. I feel a lot of filter papers, and I see paper towels. Some of this we may end up having to burn. After I look at it outside when I've got some gloves on, we may end up burning everything. I just haven't decided yet. I got to see what we have to deal with here. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to let you know, Ron, I'm presuming you're extremely happy to see this, and maybe you're not ready to shoot me for taking a lifetime to get to it. So, like I said, this is a really short intro. We don't have anything to weigh out or anything to go through until we actually get it out to the lab. So, everybody, look forward to the next video when we're going to be out there. And everybody stay safe out there, and we will see you then.